Hey, everyone! And today I'm going to guide you through the process of making your Pinterest account public. It's a quick and easy task, so let's dive right in. Firstly, open the Pinterest app on your device. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. If your account is currently set to private, you'll notice a small lock icon next to your name. To make your account public, tap on the gear icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the Settings menu. Within the settings, find the option labeled Profile Visibility. It's usually the third one down. Tap on it to proceed. Now, you'll see a couple of options. The first one is Private Profile. Toggle this off, and that's it. Your profile is now public. Anyone can visit your profile and see your pins, boards, followers, and those you're following. But there's another important setting you might want to consider. Find Search Privacy. Toggle this off if you want your Pinterest information to appear on search engines like Google. This means people can find your pins and boards when searching for related topics. And there you have it. Making your Pinterest account public is as simple as that. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I'll catch you in the next video. Happy pinning!